This project here it's also like a little sentimental doing this job, because when I first got into solar, we didn't have a warehouse at the time. My father-in-law has this glass business. So I was actually getting my deliveries sent next door when the trucks were coming. So we currently have our own warehouse in Modena and Gardner. But this is just awesome, bringing back memories, realizing like where it started when I used to first get deliveries in. We would have them here. All right, so we just accepted a delivery of our Hyundai panels, Solar Edge inverters, Iron Ridge racking system. We are at Basic Corp in Marlboro. This is a special project because it's my father-in-law, so I can't screw this job up. Those are your hardest customers, your family members. I was just talking to my electrician. He goes, wait a second, your family member trusted you to go solar? I was like, of course he did. And actually, he trusted us 15 years ago, because that's the original system that we did on their main building. This is now additional warehouse space for them. It's got 3 SMA inverters. It's still pumping out. But yeah, we did that system. Now we're doing this system here, which this is gonna be, I believe it's an 80 kW system powering this building. And then we're going to be remote net metering to that building. And we're gonna decommission that system over there, because in Central Hudson territory, you can't have 2 forms of PV power going into the building. So if you can't have community solar or solar and another solar system powering you remotely. So we're gonna decommission that building and have the power from here going there. And it's gonna be a really sweet setup. A lot of things have changed with 2026 when it comes to snow loading, wind loading, all of those things. So a lot of engineering had to go into this project. This would have been a lot easier to install last year under that code. This year, was a little more difficult, but when you have the solar panels on the roof, usually you have two rails per panel. In this situation, we have 3 rails per panel to deal with the snow and wind load that we're gonna have here. So yeah, we're gonna document this. We're gonna show you the entire setup. Another thing that's going on in renewable energy right now is 2027 is the last year for the federal tax credits. So it's really important, if you're thinking about solar for your business, you're doing it this year or next year, because after that, you are not going to get the tax credits. That 30% federal tax credit is over at the end of 2027. And businesses, it takes a lot more time to go solar. So if you're thinking about it, now is the time to do it. And we're going to show you what it takes for this building to go solar. So those are our Solar Edge optimizers up top. Those are all the optimizers that go under the panels. These are Hyundai panels over here. So bifacial Hyundai panels. So the last 2 things to come in are our inverter, and as well as our racking for the system, which we're using Iron Ridge XR100 on this job. And this is a metal roof job. So S5 are the brackets we're using. So those are all of our S5 clamps as well. I believe it's the Protea bracket that we're using on this project. So it's not the regular standing seam S5 clamp, it's the Protea. But yeah, we just, CED just dropped off all the material, and now we're just unloading it. So luckily at this business, they had a forklift, they had an operator here, so they helped us unload everything. And now we're putting the last of it on our shelves, and we're gonna come back for the install probably in about a week from now. So our CED driver, Ant, helped us up today, so he drove over. Our distributor is out of the Danbury location. So he just drove from Danbury, Connecticut, which is not that far from us, but that's usually how our commercial deliveries come in. They come in a straight truck like that. If we need, they have the forklift on the back. In this situation, we did not need to use the forklift, which was nice that we have everything set up here. So Usually when we're staging material for a commercial job, it's outside, we leave it here, but it's a really beautiful facility they have here that we're able to put everything on these shelves, keep everything tucked away, so when our crew comes, probably in 4 or 5 days from now, we could just pull everything out and start the install. So really good to be able to go through all of the material here, have a good eye on it, have it laid out before getting to the job, because the worst part is the crew gets to the job and we're missing mid clamps, we're missing end clamps, we're missing optimizers. Usually not the case, but just great to be able to be organized and have all that here. This project here it's also like a little sentimental doing this job, because when I first got into solar, we didn't have a warehouse at the time. My father-in-law has this glass business. So I was actually getting my deliveries sent next door when the trucks were coming. So we currently have our own warehouse in Modena and Gardner, but this is just awesome, bringing back memories, realizing like where it started when I used to first get deliveries in. We would have them here. And Orlando, who was unloading this material for this building, he was helping me when I first got into solar. If I couldn't make it here, helping me unload the deliveries and different things like that. So it's cool to go down memory lane, be installing this system and being able to cover the usage here, cover the usage of the building next door, and just do a really, really beautiful system. And yeah, that's our equipment. So next step here is just getting it scheduled, getting our crew sent here, which most likely it's downpouring today. It feels like every commercial job we do a video shoot at, when material is getting delivered, it's downpouring. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. And this job will probably take us about 5 days to do. Panels on the roof is probably gonna take between 4 or 5. Electrical on this job, probably between 2 and 3 on this system. Luckily, our electrical system here is not a crazy setup. It's a lot easier to tie in than most commercial systems. Usually commercial buildings have electrical systems that are just a nightmare and stuff is everywhere, but this is really dialed in here. So cool, we'll keep you updated. Next step, get these solar panels installed.